There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Then let's start. Hey Velo. Hello Carlo, Velo, Belrim and Nico here. That's nice. Good to see you guys. Good to see you. So let's start from above. So we talk about weekly. We have strong bullish momentum weekly. Like I anticipated, we're gonna feel all these liquidate area, especially if this wiki closes above. So we can see probably what's that, 600 pips, something like that, more up in next weeks. So that's pretty good for us because that means we'll take a lot of sells. We got a lot of volume, especially when we cross this 4-hour support. More volume, more profit, on and on. Strong bullish momentum. Yesterday I had nice buy around, this was London, so around here till here. So that was beautiful. Not yesterday, this is May, sorry. Yesterday I had a buy in London, so I guess then this one's this, from here to like 60 pips. So I made almost 16% with one trade. And I'm about to do the same probably tomorrow when the market gets some more juice. So today we are looking for sell from below here, below this support with daily. So we're having, okay, the clock is on, great. So we're looking for sell from here to here. So this is like the 30 pips range, meaning nice range. For buy, we need to close above. So we need to close above here and let it run. Even this one would potentially be a great take profit, but still not in the clear. So we want to get out of this London high so we can have like nice New York push up, up and up. So let's see what we get. AUD GPY, weekly. On weekly, we have the same stuff, so strong bullish momentum. I think we can expect the same. The problem here is that we are near the biggest resistance on AUD GPY, so meaning we need to get cross above so we can see higher highs, or we'll probably see some ranging like we did here in December last year. Daily, strongly bullish. We're kind of retracing now, as you see. And this daily doesn't have any bottom wicks, so that will probably mean that we need to make some. So we're gonna still turn this around and sell above here, so about below here. So let's keep patient, let's wait for confirmations, and you know what to do. So buys above, sell below. That's it. So sell below here, buys above here, and that's it. I'm also looking for EURUSD if it may come to this area where I can see its money pocket. So maybe we can get like nice push down and all the way up. That would be great, but still some confirmation is needed. For now, it's not very likely because we have here like the uprising wedge, meaning we are looking 1, 2, 3, the third touch for the sell. But the problem here is on the long we are bullish, so maybe maybe we can do something like this. Yeah, this could do. So maybe we can get some sells here and down here, but we will see. We will see. Here I was looking for sell on this level, but we just didn't confirm. So I wanted this push to go up, but now it started to fall. So I'll delete that. And the gold made strong bullish momentum altogether. Gold, I think it's getting bearish. So usually we have lower lows. So lower lows, and now I think we can see probably some retracement. It still depends on the stuffs will happening, because we can maybe even see new all-time highs like 2.5, because we have like great recession in front of us. So if you can, don't waste money on stupid things. I mean, go on vacation and everything, but probably it's better to like invest in something stable, but not in like Bitcoins or ETHOS and stuff like that. You know? Protect your money, guys. Protect your money, because in this crisis you will need it 100%. Okay, so for gold, we are still not trading gold like we talked about, but if we were, we would wait for this to come above here, and then we would probably take buy till here. But what I would like to see on gold, if someone is trading, is close below this one. So if we can get nice strong close below this one, week back, I think we can see something like this today. So something like we saw yesterday. Okay, so this is what I have in mind. So yeah, that's it. 2 minutes before the closure. I'm pretty speed up now. So as you can hear, I'm getting better and better. So that's the point. Okay. Now the questions. Luca, lep pozdrav. So yeah, if anyone has any questions, comments, observations that they want to check, I'm here. For now, we're looking close above, and let's go for the buys, and close above for the buys, or close above below for the sells. Still waiting for this one. I think something like this can happen, and then up, but I'm not entirely sure. So we'll see about that. Maybe we can get some confirmation. So any comments, questions, observations? You got this. Closure in 30 seconds. So if we get a nice rejection here, this is beautiful, because we have like nice pushing up. So we're building this wedge, which usually are representing a sell. So 1, 2, 3 on third touch, it's sold. So this is no longer valid for now. And yeah, let's see what will happen. No questions, no observations, nothing. Okay. Then let's wait for momentum to kick in. Today we have great news. Use the cat after New York opens. So let's see. 1430, yeah, the same stuff. Good. Yo, Micha, welcome, welcome. What's up? You missed the start. Good. We can always learn something more. Well, we did countdown, so basically we have buy above here, sell below here. We want to see nice closure, weak back and push. And probably buy above here. We have 1, 2, 3 nice zones where you can push and sell to here, one zone, second zone. So either way it goes, it will be beautiful. So that's practically it. Looking for a gold. I'm expecting some retracement in around here. We'll see, probably maybe something around here. I'm not sure about gold. So for me, on the long term, it's still bearish. Even on daily, I see is a bearish. Yeah, as you can see, just a little bit retracement, but didn't break last high. So still the retracement, even weekly, strong bearish momentum. So the question for me is how low the gold, how low they want to push gold before the real recession start. So I was, I have this prediction from before when the COVID was on. Let me just find my old analysis. Is this? No, yeah. Gold. Yeah, I have this old analysis on gold. I don't know if it still exists or was deleted. But yeah, I believe it will fall down to like 14,040. So somewhere around here. I believe it will go somewhere around here before we can see major push-up. So when this happens, when this will collapse, so the market will collapse, the real estate market will collapse like from 40 to 70% because it must rebound its value. Stock market will collapse. The same will happen with gold market. Inflation will kick in when we get gold to this level. So when we get gold to this level, I think inflation will go like crazy. So I don't know. I had a great analysis, but currently I can't find it because I have the same stuff for silver, and then you will see the right, probably the right number for silver. But this is just the analysis, so doesn't mean anything. That is the one that we have here. Where is it from? No, I guess I deleted it. It's okay. So yeah, but this is just like I said, this is like a little analysis, doesn't mean anything, but my expectation what it may happen. But yeah, for me, gold is bearish because Eurozone is in big jeopardy. So So I don't know if you know, but if you live in Euro, probably this summer or maybe next summer we will be out of oil. So the shortage of oil is coming. That means that not only prices will skyrocket, but that means that we will probably, the price of electricity will skyrocket, the price of all the goods will skyrocket because the oil, and our Euro Union is so smart and they keep like pushing the embargo on the Russian, and even if we die, just it looks like that. So yeah, so it's gonna be interesting. You will see. Not doesn't even matter how much money I have. We all gonna suck. We all gonna have bees in our butt. Even Americans. The Americans have like I think 20% import from Russians. Half point European what? So yeah, today, this week, we're starting. So this month, the Euro Central Bank, ECB, will try to conquer inflation, but they are like, for me, 4 months too late, which will make probably some crazy, unexpected moves in the market. It doesn't mean they will be bad, it just means they will happen. Okay, great. Maybe, yeah, maybe we can get this. Good. I don't know if it will happen, but let's see. That's good for Panther because last time we had banks interacting with the market. We saw a great Panther month. So I believe another one is coming soon. Yeah. But the scarcity is real. So if you are not like, if you think that this, how do I say it, this recession will not be so hard on you, it probably won't, like it will not hit you like a train, but probably like a boomerang, you see it flying and then when you're not looking, it hits you in the head from the back. So won't kill you, but will knock you on your feet. So if you are not good with money, now it will be the last time to get good with money, the last time to know that. And you need to know one thing. So everybody is like all the time, watch the news and do the opposite. So if you read books like Napoleon Hill, stuff like that, you need to know one thing. If you pull out one information from this book, is that you always need to do opposite of what majority is doing. So what does that mean? That means that in a recession, media, so news, is telling you to invest in gold, to invest in real estate, to invest in stock market, to invest because you need to protect yourself from inflation. But the real truth is that in recession, this is always, in every recession, cash is king. Yes, you're losing money, but with cash, you're gaining so much opportunity that you cannot count them. So cash is king, guys. So just remember that. You will see that in some time, but in a recession, cash is king. 100%. Yeah, in recession, always. In recession, it's always better to have money because, look, you can have like 100 kilos of gold. Okay, let's say you have 100 kilos or one gold bar. Okay, that's like, so one gold bar, what's that, like 5K, something like that? I don't know, I'm not expert, 1 ounce. If 1 ounce is like $2,000, almost $2,000. So I don't know how much. Let's see. How much is gold? Yeah, 5 to 6K, I agree. So I'm talking about this small one, because if you have the small one, I think there were like 4 ounces, yeah. Ounces 71. No, this is too much. The kilowatt. So 1 kilo. 1 kilo equals 61,000. Okay. You have 61,000 in 1 kilo. You come with this 1 kilo to like people who sells you, who sells food, who have like meat, who have pigs, who have cows, who have meat, you know, whatever. You put this golden bar there. Who do you think is in better bargaining position? You who have a gold bar, or the guy who has meat to sell because you're hungry? That's why gold is not safe haven, even though it acts like it. But exactly, if you're hungry, you're gonna pay whatever. So you're gonna look at this. You're gonna give him this $61,000 for 1 pig or something like that. So I'm not saying that recession will be that bad, because I don't know, honestly. But I know because I studied recession. I studied them because I wanted to know how it will be like. I studied them like 1 year ago in pandemic, and then I went to study 2008 and went to study 2001. I bought like the data and I went back testing. And what I found out is that market is really trending. So it's not like this all the time, it's really trending. As we can see now, that's happening with GB pairs. So if you look at weekly again, what do we see? It's really trending. Okay, so let's go for the best years when the recession was over, like 2016, yeah, 2016. It's still trending, but then for almost 1 year, we had the raging market. Then good market and ranging market, good, ranging. You see? So actually in the good years, you have less volatility, you have less movement. Let's go to 2008. 2008, there you go. You see any consolidation here or only movement? Movement. And that's why I'm talking to you. So yes, you have big phenomenal moves, but on those moves, it's easier to bank, it's easier to make profit. Those were like, what? This is almost 2,500 pips in a week. So you come here, you see that the big support of GBP JPY broke. You're selling to next one. So you saw, okay, this support broke. What I'm doing, I'm selling to next one. And you profit big time. And the same stuff is when you learn about recession, stuff like that, you will find out that cash is king in a recession. Because if you can have cash, you have opportunity to come out of this. So keep the cash, guys. Make it safe. I know that inflation is killing it, but it's gonna kill it anyway. So it's better to get prepared, better to get some money on the side. That's why I love Forex, because anytime I can pull down the money, you know? There you go, okay. So yeah. So yeah, that's why I need to be ready. I mean, for anybody watching this video, this is not like financial advice. It's just like my point of view, what I'm getting ready for. Because I don't think this recession will probably bring technological advancement that we probably are not used to. Because you need that if you want to get out of recession, you need technological advancement, and we didn't have one in 2008. So I think now will be the right time, because we have crypto, we have blockchain, stuff like that. Robotics is better and better, and yeah, I think for me this is the way how the world will go. Automation. So when I was in Belgrade, I talked with my friend, and when we come back, we talked about the guy in Belgrade. I know the guy. He knows the guy that has like bordel from the robotics. So the girls in there that are like, you know, doing this stuff are not girls, not human girls, but robots. So the world is going that way. The world is going that way. You don't need to believe me, you will see it. Okay, so we have BOS. Now where would the entry be? Nope. So what about this? Yeah. Maybe. So yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. Get ready for winter. Make some changes in your spending habits, make some changes in your communication, because you will need network, you will need a lot of numbers in your phone to make yourself a living. Regular jobs are dying. So I don't know if you know, but in the UK, they started testing like the stuff that Denmark is doing for some time now. So so less week hours, the same money. You know what why they do that? Because they know that you're underpriced. So they're gonna take back the hours and let you pick second job. So we'll have two jobs, and now you think you're working less. Okay. Now you're gonna think you're working less, but in reality, you're gonna be working more. Okay, so if I was looking for sniper entry, I'll probably enter here. Stop loss is a little bigger, but I think it's fine. And please, something like daily. Yeah, daily would be nice. So let's see, maybe I'm right. This is just a testing phase, so paper trading only. But yeah, that's my point of view. This is what I wanted to share today with you. And now we wait for trades. Any comments, questions, and observations? Bring it on. What do you think the recession will look like, huh? It's gonna be sunshine and rainbows, happy place. Yeah, should be, it's in already. Okay. No, no comments. Okay. Okie dokie. Oh, you wanna, guys, is someone here trading crypto? I was doing some analysis and some reading on crypto lately, so you want to see some crypto? You want to know some stuff? Oops. Yeah, okay. So this is still the main plan for me. This is still the main plan. What I think it will happen is we're gonna have a fake bull run. Okay, so if you look at the main support, let's say this is the main support. Right now we are well over it. we bounced off the retest, and now we're going for the next one. What I think here, like on 20K, like something like here, will happen is bounce back, and maybe we can get some spikes up. But then we're gonna have like straight hell down. And I think here somewhere is gonna be the bottom. And I don't believe that we will ever see 100K, but I think we will see like 70 or 80K again. So my plan is to wait for something like that. This will be bull trap 100%, and 100% this will be a bull trap. Bull trap meaning that all of the people will be like, yeah, it's gonna be bulls again. So when you see on the Instagram, Facebook as Bitcoin to 100K, this is it, guys. This is what I'm talking about. The next big push down, liquidity, so the whales can get out of these positions and move it down. And my plan is to enter here with what I want to lose. So this is like 20K. 20 to 25K, I think this would be my position, and I'm gonna exit. So when it comes to this, I will diversify. Yeah, I will diversify all of this, and my exit position will be equal high on 70K, maybe 18K, but I think that before that, so yeah, this is my plan for crypto. Damn, when did he go? Stop loss minus, how? So let's say 3K, 3000K, I think that's valid. So 110 back, okay. But yeah, something like that. So I don't know, maybe someone gets a picture, but I think this is like, so this would be, you can see here, head and shoulders, right? And now the neckline is broken. What the people are expecting is this, but what I think will happen, is, yeah, this down, but then push up and probably down. I don't know exactly how it will happen, so we can even get push here and then down. But this is like my main goal about Bitcoin, because the only crypto as I see it is Bitcoin. Yeah, all the rest are stocks in crypto space. Oh, getting the maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, that's it. Yeah, this was the news from in the Asian session. Superside rate rise now we saw coming. 50 points. Yeah, this will. So the problem with this kind of inflation is that it's gaining momentum through all the currency, right? And it's going faster and faster and faster and faster. And I think that we can have euro USD to dollar. I mean, this is kind of scary. That's why I want to like share this. And exactly the same, I can tell you once again, I think there is big possibility that I'm wrong. So don't worry about it. Okay, this looks fine. Let's see if we can get a bounce here. Yeah, nope. Okay, no bounce. Invalid. Good. Goody, goody, goody. Yeah, push through, huh? I didn't take trade, but look for buying it. It's very wrong, yeah. What pair do you have in mind, Bello? What pair do you have in mind? So like GBP/JPY or AUD/JPY or EURUSD or gold. Which one do you mean? Bitcoin? Don't buy Bitcoin, man. No, gold. No, gold. No, gold is not the buy. Gold, we have like strong momentum on the daily 4 hour, and so this is just like a retracement from London. London retraced it all the way up, and this happened. This was happening like I think in April. We had the same stuff. April, April. I think it was the same stuff. So you have like big push in Asia. Yeah, look at this. So this is New York, and Asian pushed it down. London pushed it up, and then New York made huge move downs. And then the same stuff here. Asian pushed it down again. London pushed it up, down, and then we retraced for New York. So beginning of the New York push down. So you can see those kind of patterns. So yeah, that's why I think that we won't see buys today. I just want to see if this will play out because it looks fine to me. Yeah. We'll see, we'll see. So yeah, I think this was our trade before. I shared this with Miha. That's why we deleted it, right? That's why we deleted it. So price was 166. Price was 166. Ah, this is it. 92. Yeah, this was the entry. But as you can see, it would fall right through. But that's why when it bounced and made, yeah, I think I shared it like here. So when it's bound and broke the structure, we deleted it. But yeah, here we had like nice compression. Now we have momentum, and I think we can see this falling down even more. So right now, if you paid the same attention, the strategy that we're trading is practically the same here. You see we had close below, weak back, kaboom, kaboom. That's it. Yeah, we will see. GBJPY, I have sells below here, so if it break this line, I have no problem. I just want to see like clean entry. That's it. But this one is good, so this one is getting good. So even if we want to look for entry here, we have one problem. That's it. We don't have enough range, like 11 pips. So, and we're going against daily here, even though, yeah, we had like nice. So I think this will continue down now because we had like this 4 hour closed bearish, and we had nice week up. Okay, so that means that the pressure from sellers is gaining momentum. Yeah, it's gaining momentum, and now I think we will see push down here or maybe even here. But let's wait for confirmation. So no entry here, no entry here. Let's see the ranges. The ranges are not the prettiest. I don't like this because it has like one support in the middle, also here. So I think the sells will be best here. Let's see. Let's see. Gold is still holding, right? My father came to say hello. So yeah, let's wait for 30 minutes. If you have any questions, ask, and I'll be right back. Little bit. Okay, guys. No, I wasn't talking. Don't worry. Just doing like hat meeting while I'm waiting for the trades. So no problems there. I was just counting. So doing note for myself that I see head and shoulder, and there's this wedge. So I will see if this respects one. So we can probably expect bounce back, but I think this was a nice entry, would be a nice entry, and those kind of entries will come to this stream very soon. So we have like 10 more days open for everybody, then only Panther user and Panther users will profit from these kind of trades. Oh, make sure you're Panther user, man. Okay. So no closure above, no closure below. Waiting for the movements. Maybe New York Open will give us something, especially when we have the news 14:30. So that's what in 1 hour. Until then, I will just check with my father if he needs something for cooking. If not, I'll be right back. Whew, okay. Just did that. Did I submit something? Not really. Let's just update this. Okay. Yeah, like we expected, right? Oh, I didn't tell you what to do here. So we didn't enter on anything, but usually in Head and Shoulders, we enter in such a, how do you call it, wedge or a flag. And we have like 1, 2, and when the neckline of the head and shoulder, so this is head and shoulder, if someone doesn't know, is broken, we usually get a low and then retest and set. But usually what here happens is like the third touch, so 1, 2, and third touch will probably go long. But yeah, we will see. Sorry everyone. Okay, you hear me, that's great. So I don't know if you know, but my father is, how to say it, injured. Yeah, he cannot walk straight and still has the guts to cook for us every day. Last Friday, when I canceled our session, we went to buy him some scooterino, so he can be all fancy at the sea. And yeah, that's it. That's why sometimes I go mute and go help him out. That's it. Thank you, Carlo. Yeah, he's a king, right? And he cooks like a god, you know. Very good chef, not professional, but still very good. But this is like, brother's very proud to have a son like you. Yeah, I believe so. I believe so. But he taught me so much that I owe it all to him. Nothing about Forex, honestly, but for staying human, that probably down to earth touch, that is probably all of him. Yeah. Yeah, and Carlos said family first, always. I agree with that 100%. Yeah, so I'm moving out of my house in few months. So like in October, we're gonna start looking. So this month we start looking with my girl for another apartment house in another city. Still don't know how it will go, but we will manage. They always have. So yeah. Good. FDGPY, bringing momentum in. What I see here is 1 hour. Yeah, 4 hours. Okay, so 4 hours is kind of losing momentum. So this should be like really long now, maybe here, but okay. So 1 hour is creating this descending wedge, or professionals, which are not, calls it, I think it's bull flag. So let's have 1 touch sec. This doesn't count. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, something like that. Oh, it doesn't go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then boom up. So probably something like that could happen. So 1, 2, 3, here, kaboom, something like that. I think it will be on this level. We touch here, and maybe we could even put an entry here, but I want to see something first so we can get confirmation. So not trade yet, just expecting. We're still holding the same. So what I'm doing here is like showing you the different possibility of my sniper entries, but we're still having the same rules for entry, you know. I'm looking for extra entries, but when it comes down, let's say I don't found this, I know what I trade. I have my rules keep me sane, my rules keep me sleep at night, and they make trading so effortless because you have someone to follow, you know. It's like going to work, yeah. If you're like a CEO, then your head gonna explode all the time because you have more problems with communicating with people what they want from them than from work itself. But if you have a boss and he tells you do this, do this, do this, the job is simple. I just do this and I go back. What do you do next? Go back. But yeah, that's how much, how simple can trading be. Should be, probably isn't. Most of the time isn't, but yeah. Okay. There are some new guys here. Let's call them new guys. Do you have any like questions about basic? So stuff like that when you wait for our trades are the perfect for like mastering the basics. So I can confirm it, I can explain it again, like over and over. And if you want, just let me know what you don't know. So yesterday we kind of talked some small time we used for explaining pips. And then I saw, so we explained pips. So let's say when we use our 8 pip stop loss, how you can use that. So let's say you have $1,000. I think this is so basic that if you don't know this, you're doing something wrong. But on the other hand, if you do know this and not like using it, then you're even the worst than the guy who doesn't know it. So yeah, $1,000. So, and then you have 8 pips stop loss. So how would I get like 0.8% risk per trade? Any ideas? Come on, guys. I don't know. Yeah, Carlo, that's why I'm doing this. Because Carlo doesn't know. That's great. So he can learn. Okay, so yesterday we did 0.01 point pips equals money. Yeah. So lot size, in the other hand, in the other words, lot multiplied by pips equal money. Okay, so this is like the main. I have a feeling he will tell us, yeah, that's why I'm here, to educate you, and probably someone who is watching this video will learn something too. So yeah, lot point pips equal money. Okay, so 0.01 point pips equal money. But then we have another stuff. So then we have, where is Sanya? Sanya knew that yesterday. No Sanya today. I need to tell her that I missed her. Okay, so we have 0.01 point pips. Let's say for our stop loss, we have 8 pips. Yeah, okay, 8 pips. So if we put this together, what do we get? If you put 0.01 multiplied by 8, what do we get? If you don't know, I will not take this trade. So tell me. Want to agree? That's it. We're flying now. This is a fly time. Yeah. Fly time. So yeah. Put this in calculator. Come on, do this. This is basic. I'm doing this for you. I know this stuff, you know, guys. You come here to listen to me and not asking questions. This is like, you're losing. Yeah, thank you, Luca. 0.08. Okay, is this 8% of 1,000 euros? So look at that. If we use you guys still hear me or not? Hello? Guys? Yeah, you hear me. Okay, what the hell? Okay, just Zoom just signed me out. I don't know why. Yeah, okay, value is correct now. Value is correct. So 8%, 0.8% from 1,000 is this equals 8 euros. Yeah, 8 euro, $8 doesn't matter right now. All that matters is that we know how much it equals. So we need to bring ourselves, if we use this, we get 0.08. This is not enough. Yeah. So what is missing? We have 8 pips. 8 pips is equal in 80 pips or micro pips. Yeah. Let's say micro pips. Okay, this is 80 micro pips. Okay, so we can use this. We can use 80 here. Okay. If we multiply it now, do we get 8 euros now? So 0.01 multiplied by 80. Do we get 8 euro now? $80. How, Carlo? How did you get to 80? 0.01 multiplied by 80. Yeah, 8. That was right. Guys, what do you say? Is Carlo right or wrong? Sorry, no problem. No problem. Because for me, I don't see this. Wait. Into okay. Do you see the calculator now? Yeah. 0.018. Okay. 0.01.80 equals 0.8. Yeah, Nicholas, that's right. So how we can fix that? We need to add here pip value. So pip value. And we talked about this yesterday. So it's market, pip calculator, or calculator, sorry. So if we have euro, we're using USD, pip value is 0.944. So we're gonna use 9.4 because we have micro pips. Okay, so we have micro pips. So what we're gonna use? We're gonna use for euro USD 9.4. 944 is, so multiply it all together, 0.8 9.4. Do we get close to 8? So what I'm trying to tell you guys is that you need to know this, how to calculate lot size. When we enter the trade, you need to know how much you're risking, how much you're giving up, how much you're losing. Because if you don't, you're losing too much. That's why this is super important. Of course, I'm not saying you need to be mad genius or anything close, because I'm even not that fast. I'm just like you guys. I think, I guess ordinary would be the right word. That's not that that's wrong, but Okay. You see, I have Google Sheet, that Google Spread that is calculating that for me. I call it magic because it helps you. So when you have like sniper entry like I have today, yeah, let's use this. Let's see if I can copy this correctly this time. Okay. But yeah, in my experiences, how do you say it? I don't know. You can call it whatever you want. I learned that the more tools you have, the better you work. The better you work, the more money you make. So on. And I will share you one now. One tool. I will share you one tool now. Thank you. Just a second. Okay. Again, phrase. So that's great. That's why it's sometimes great. There you go. I have one in prettier, but yeah. So if you want to use like $1,000, you have 8 pips stop loss. Your risk is 1%, and you're really gonna bank 20 pips. Is it? Okay. No, so risk reward is 2.8, gain would be 2.2%. 2.9, what is this? So yeah, this would be like your profits. So we're using this data if you use it in the same way. So like in 10 pips, if your take profit is 10 pips, you get 11 euros. If you're 20 pips, stuff like that. Yeah. So even if you're like trading like idle, let's trade with 1 mil. That means for me, 128 would be a take profit. Here you need to subtract, like this is GBP/USD, so the pip lot size for the pip needs to be counted, stuff like that. But yeah, I have one prettier in Excel, but this is the best I have right now. Will someone find use of this? They wanted me to fix it up for you and share it in the group? Or you're like, no, whatever, I don't need this. I will use one lot size on 500 euros. Okay. So we have one yes, okay. Carlo, I send it to you, to no one else, only to you. Because no one else needs it, only you need it. And that's good. This is a smart tool, you know. This is smart tool. Because this makes you like 10 times faster, meaning you have one decision less to make. I think there's only one. So yeah. You are the god. No, Carlo. Far from God. Far from God. Just a mere mortal living my best life. Yeah, huh? Guys, what if I share this trade today with you, huh? What will you say? I love you guys, but you know, you're like really making me work for it, right? So instead we would be like chatting, talking, making money. I'm here like sweating balls, talking with myself. Like we have 6 people here. 6, we had 8, we have 9, no problem. But I would give you this trade. I will give you this trade soon, but what's more important is, what I think is more important is that I think you don't want it, you know, because some of you are not even asking questions, some of you are not following. Like, if you want to learn, you need to ask. Sometimes asking too much is not good, but asking nothing is the worst, you know. So do your best and ask. No shame in that. Luca, ca vreau și un sniper. Ia zi che. Ti, c'è sniper, tale entri, ci bebiu zi che. If someone miraculously entered this trade, like if someone is in this trade, but you know that we don't trade gold on here. Move stop loss here, and now your stop loss should be here. Bebiu, să știu un truc. But yeah, so yeah, guys. You come here because I'm here because I know this. You're here because you don't know this. You think if you're quiet and just wait for whatever I told you to learn something, I mean, you will, but not as much as you would keep asking. Like Luca here, like we did one-on-one and he need to work really hard. So I think he's really angry now that I'm doing this for free. Because this hour could be his hour. So I could work only one-on-one with him and he would profit the most because he would keep asking. But you guys are sleeping. So I may be hard, but the truth is the truth. Velo, no, you're not right. Not right about what? Not right about market? I think I'm right about market most of the time, but not always. Okay, well, okay, let's put this to the test, right? Let's put this to the test. So if you're saying you're not sleeping here, you're working, I get that. I respect that. I maybe spoke too soon or didn't specially pull you out and say, look, Velo is working here. Why do we trade GBP JPY and AUD JPY? Well, that's a question for you. Why do we trade those two pairs? Carlo doesn't know. Yeah, but Carlo is here like for 1 week. Velo is here like for a whole month from the beginning. And that's respectful, honestly. Like heads off. I'm here for a month too, so. But it's the simple questions which I answered like many times. One, two, three, this should break. No, this one breaks. Yeah. Ah, this is it. 1 to 1, okay. Come on, Velo, you're working. Let's go. What's the answer? Luca, do you know why we trade only these two pairs? Luca said he don't know for sure, but I think you do. You just need to think. So, Velo, where are you? Well, I have all the million questions, but explain what I want to know is not easy to write. Why you're waiting? Okay. I kind of get it, so no problem with that. The main stuff, why we are trading GBJPY and AUDJPY and sometimes gold, is because they are trending pairs and their movement when the break happens is like 10 pips or 30 pips or 50 pips. On Euro USD, like move like this, like 30 pips, and they are rare. They're very rare. So not every move is good move. They don't follow the same properties. And as you can see, range for most of the time is not so clean, right? Except here. So that's why we trade those two pairs, because they're easy. Easy. This works on every pair, but here it's easy to bank pips. So, Luca asked, Luca asked, but what about GB UD? Yeah, they work the same, but the ranges are smaller. So that means if the ranges are smaller, take profits are harder. There we go. Sonia came. Tako je, Luka. Manjši premiki so. Pa niso tako clean, ful imajo pullbackov. Ful imajo imbalance, ne? Pravi, tukaj vidiš, imamo imbalance, ne? In to je to, no? To je tista glavna stvar. Zakaj pa kako. So, as we saw, New York happened and chart began to move. Not for a lot, but for some small movements, but I think we will have a nice buy here. Ja, to je to, Luka. Zdaj, to pa vprašaš. Carlo, take profit will be around 20 pips, stop loss 8 pips. Sure. Can you tell me the colors of the lines? Is this pending buy or sell? Nothing. We don't have order in yet. We are waiting for confirmation. So we are not going ahead of market because we don't know what will happen. This can still turn down or up. So we don't know. What we want to see is close above. One candle goes above, week back, we enter here, take profit here, or maybe next even here. So sometimes with Jack, we have to talk. Also, I understand each other by writing. Sorry, Velo, no problem, Velo, no problem. Like I said, I don't see problem here. If you're willing to learn, that's all good. Carlo, I'm talking about yellow, red, and gray lights with number. Where? This light, sorry, lines. This is for 4 hours, so we know where 4 hours is going with us. This is daily candle and 4-hour candle. Those are the zones. So, Carlo, you will have to go to babyfibs.com and start with education, start learning, and do this. Okay, so all of this would be great for you, so you get some grip because you need basics. So anyone not understanding what I'm saying when I say zone and like that, you need basics. So another 50 minutes, nothing yet. Here it seems we could sell below, but we will see. Nothing is 100%, but still waiting for this close. So yeah, in 50 minutes we have another news. So there we go, guys. Still the teeth, huh? Oh, here's the cat. Let's see what the cat says. Ooh, okay. Here's the cat. Za, bye. Imaš dosta, 10 pipov sam, premalo imaš. Kaj bi saj 11? Ja, no, rabiš 11. Kaj, Luka? Pek testi, boš videl. Če je majko 11, vidi. Pa ja, veš, to kaj vse listke, veš, če zdaj. No ja, v tej coni ne čakam vse, čakam potrditev, da bom pa šel kasneje vse. Tako da sela je dejansko še zelo daleč. We got it close, bro. Nice. 5-minute post, huh? Guys, what an entry. So what's that? I think like 50 pips, huh? 50 pips. And then they told me my sniper entries usually don't work. So yeah, still waiting. Okay, so as it seems now, we will probably get a close above, and without weak back, we will straight on enter and see what happens. So no weak back. If it closes, we're gonna just enter. Okay. Use the cat entry. We had break of structure. Ah, not really anything, I suppose. Should be done this. So around here, I would look for sell around here. Something like that. And sell would go for, yeah, this. Oh, let's take it back up. So Carlo asked if I always trade in 15 minutes. Not always, but most of the time. 50 minutes, 1 hour, 1 minute. But I started my trading career only on 4 hours. So yeah, it was more freeing, not so much time wasting. Yeah. 50 minutes is the best. This for me. Quick trades, 1 to 5, 1 to 3, 1 to 2. Yeah. Yeah, like we talked about, yeah. There you go, guys. If someone sold here, easy money. You're in this cell? Oh, crazy motherfucker. Nice. Good for you. If you're in this cell, just put stop loss here. That's why you were asking which number is which. Now I get you. Okay. So motherfucker. Put stop loss here. So put stop loss in 1849.5. So change, you go to modify order and put in 18.5. Yeah. This is your stop loss. So move stop loss to profit and enjoy the ride. So this line is 1842. Why didn't you tell me that you're in trade? I will tell you straight away which is which. But all good. I don't know. Yeah. You're gonna send me a screenshot afterwards. But yeah, we don't trade gold on this chart. I'm like in the Regenspiel. So yeah. UK oil, nimam pojma, stari. Ouais, pour moi, mais c'est un fundamental, pour moi, il est زي الكليشيه naverch. ما بدي. Karlo, tega lahko kar zapreš. Some shit. Zakaj بثلاث طرق؟ Papa nikdy idealny trade, Karlo. Kar zapri. So the news did nothing for us. Market didn't even flinch. So yeah, let's wait. Maybe we can get something nice. Okay, we got some movement now. Required momentum. Without momentum. Pogledajte. Čudno. Čudno. Oh, yeah, technically right. After this one is the key. Technically, you're right. Technically, you're right. Well, so we're waiting for market to move because I think it will move, but maybe not this session. Maybe later in the day. We'll see how this next 4 hour closes. If it closes like this, then probably we'll stop the stream and get back. AJ, Luca, ne smeš nasprot daily je bullish. Ne moraš, kam greš? Tukaj nema ništa. Follow the rules, guys. I will follow them till the end because I know that I backtested so much. I know they work. Like I said, you do you. That's why we're not entering trades like this. That's not I'm sharing you trades. I'm only sharing trades with you that I have specific rules for them. If I don't have a rule, if I don't see an entry, I'm not entering. I'm not care. I don't care how much some of you, not that you do, but how much you want to enter. If you want to enter in your own, enter on your own. But that's it. My rules are my rules. I made money with them. I made my 2 millions with them. You do yours. Like if your rules work, you will have 2 million soon. If they don't, then you will come back. Yeah, let's just wait those 5 minutes, and if nothing smart happens, we are done. Okay, next 4 hour is gonna close, so we're getting dodgy here, meaning we can potentially see some buys, but these tell me that the price doesn't know where it wants to go. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. I think we will finish stream here because we have no trades. So no trades means no losses. In 1 hour is news, but by then my trading time is over. So yeah, thank you all for coming. Have a great day and see you tomorrow. Let's hope tomorrow it gives us nice sells or buys, whatever. But yeah, this is it. Sometimes it's like that. Like, so for me, I didn't have any trades in London nor in New York, and that's okay. It happens. Exactly, well, 0 loss is still win. That's right. Okay. Have a great day. See ya. Bye.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.